You also started an NGO with Manish Sisodia and Arvind Kejriwal. Uh,
2004 or
Three or
5.
four, oh,
I
something
think
around
four. Yeah,
four.
yeah. Whenever.
Why didn't you choose to join politics along with them?
Lifestyle choice. Arvind and Manish have no life. 7 days a week, politics, meeting people, getting people complaining to you. I want to play football. I want to be able to step out and have a cigarette if I want. I want to go have a pan outside the cinema after film. I want I want the life I have right now. So yeah, I was like, brothers, you listen to this shit.
I can't.
This is not my scene. So I mean his patience, that's why I find it really funny. And I think people don't really understand the conflict within politics. You have to be extremely patient while also being extremely impatient. You have to be extremely democratic while also being extremely autocratic.
Autocratic.
Dude, if you are the architect of something so big that Arvind was, and some chomu from hell is coming and fucking ranting to you for 15-20 minutes, you're just sitting there and saying, अब ठीक बोल रहे हैं. I was like, भाई तू ही सुन यार, मैं तो जा रहा हूँ चाय पी के मैं घर सोने जा रहा हूँ, कल सुबह आता हूँ क्योंकि again we have to be here at 5. There'll be 10 other people who will be saying that वहाँ पर ऐसा हो जाएगा वैसा हो जाएगा. So and then slowly and again all this is a bullshit that I keep hearing. Even people who claim to know a lot that this was a movement that was planned for politics. Just shut the fuck up. I remember the confusion. It just the momentum only carried it, and it was a few triggers that pissed off Arvind, and he decided to enter politics. But when I saw that transition happening, I was clear. This is not the life I want for myself.
तो उस रूम में कभी ऐसी बात हुई, मतलब इफ व्हेन यू अरविंद और एंड मनीष वर सिटिंग कि भाई तू भी आ जा, तू ज्वाइन कर ले, हम लोग पॉलिटिकल
जब
पार्टी
पहली
बनाए.
बार जब 2013 में चुनाव लड़े थे, आई स्टिल हैव दैट ईमेल. आई थिंक maybe when I write my book I'll publish it. The expectation was that at least the founders of seven of us, Santosh, who tragically died, from Sundar Nagri, at least we should contest. This is not what I want for myself. And we had the idea for News Laundry predated that. I was like, dude, that's what I want to do. And that will be, which is why even now you see we have articles about which are critical of HAP, Deepak.
How tough is that to do that?
Not tough at all. Why? I should be tough.
फोन नहीं आता यार, तू भी ऐसा कर रहा है, बाकी सारे तो कर ही रहे हैं, तू भी कर
I'm
रहा
sure
है.
he feels happy. I don't always agree with it, but I'm not going to tell my editors what to do and what not to do. As long as it is accurate, it's fine. He's still a friend, and I think he's a really good guy.